everybody. How you doing today? Today we're going to do kind of like a classic. Today we're going to do pork and beans, but we're going to put a twist on it. We're going to kind of do it Italian style. So over in my pan here, what I did was I boiled some Italian sausage. This is hot. And then I boiled about a half an hour. Then we sliced it, and we're just going to get a little color on it with a little bit of oil, like a tablespoon of oil. We want to brown it a little bit. Now this pan here, we're heating it up because we are going to add in 1 onion. This is kind of like about that size, like a tennis ball size onion. Doesn't matter. I'm going to put that in. Raise our heat a little bit just to get it going. And we kind of chopped it kind of on the small side because we just want to cook it till it's just aromatic. We don't want any color on it or anything. It doesn't have to be caramelized. Just till it starts to smell really good. And then we're going to add 3 cloves of garlic. And with the garlic, it's your choice. 2, 3, 4, 10 cloves. Yeah, whatever you like. We chop that kind of fine too. Oh, that's starting to smell good already. Okay, we're going to let this cook for about a minute. Now over here, this is our tomato sauce. 2 cans of tomato sauce, the size cans like this, and 2 cans of water. Mix it together, stir it up a little bit. 2 cans of cannellini beans. They're just white beans. Please rinse them. Put them in a little strainer, rinse them a little bit. We're going to use a little salt and pepper. 1 small bay leaf. You don't want to use a lot of bay leaf because you don't want it to become bitter. And we have Italian seasoning. And we have some, of course, red pepper flakes. I'm going to put probably about ½ teaspoon. You could put less, you could put more. And about a teaspoon of the Italian seasoning and a few shakes of salt and pepper. Okay, this is starting to look really good. Okay, I'll be right back. I'm going to get some paper towels so I can drain off my sausage. Because we don't want all that oil to go into our meal here. And as you can see, they're just browned a little bit. Not too dark. You don't want to crisp them. You want it to stay soft. This is really a nice, hearty, it's kind of like a stew actually. Sausage and fagioli. Okay. Oops, I'll lose my pan. I'm going to wipe these off a little bit. Keep it like that. Okay, these are looking good. We can throw our sausage in now. Come on, you're all stuck. There we go. I'm going to mix it up a little bit. Okay, now we're going to put in our seasonings. This is how I measure. That's about a teaspoon. And we're going to get our red pepper flakes. ½ a teaspoon. teaspoon or so. You could always taste it later if you want more. Start out with less, of course. Because you could always add, but you can't take away. Oh, you could smell the rosemary in that Italian seasoning. Okay, now our tomatoes. And then you get some nice Italian crusty bread. Glass of wine. Our bay leaf goes in. A few shakes of pepper. A few shakes of salt. Give it a stir. And we're going to add our cannellini beans. I just call them whatever. Just white beans. And this is 2 cans of 15 ounce. I think it's a 15 ounce can. Let's see, what does it say? 15.5 ounce can. All right. Give it a little stir. And then we're going to put the lid on it. And we're going to let it go for about a half hour. And in about a half hour, it'll be ready to eat. So we will see you guys in a half hour.